So I wanted to show you that I'm not kidding about the milk in the refrigerator. This is my roommate's milk. You can see that was the sell-by date, the expiration date. This is my milk right next to it. As you can see, the expiration date is not until February 9th. But his expired on November 4th. So, just wanted to show you that I wasn't kidding about the milk being in the refrigerator for 3 months now. We'll see how long it takes for him to get rid of it. I'll keep you posted.